everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Daniel.
How are you today? I hope you're having a nice day, wherever you are.
Maybe you are working, maybe relaxing, or just listening quietly.
Yes, just listen, relax, and learn simple English with us.
And today, we are talking about something very real.
Yes, something you do every single day,
Your daily routine.
but not like a school lesson.
No, we will talk like real life, like normal people.
Exactly, like a real conversation.
You know, Daniel, mornings are always interesting,
Yes, but also a little difficult.
especially when the alarm rings.
Oh, yes, my alarm rings at 6:30, and honestly, I don't want to wake up.
Same here. I always think, just 5 more minutes.
Yes, and those 5 minutes become 20 minutes.
Exactly.
But finally, I wake up. Slowly.
Slow mornings are the best.
Yes, I sit for a moment, and then I reach for my phone.
Phone is the first thing.
Yes, I check messages, notifications.
Same. I think many people do that without thinking.
Yes, it's like a habit.
After that, do you feel awake?
Not really. So I go to the bathroom.
That helps.
Yes, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and slowly I feel fresh.
That moment when cold water touches your face, it really wakes you up.
Exactly. That's when the day really starts.
And then coffee time?
Yes, very important. Coffee time.
I love that quiet moment in the morning.
Same. I sit quietly, no noise, just coffee.
No stress, no rush.
Yes, just a peaceful start.
Do you ever check your phone again during coffee?
Sometimes, just quickly.
Just quickly. I know that.
After coffee, reality starts.
Yes, real life begins.
I look at the time, and suddenly I feel, oh, I'm late.
That happens every day.
Then I get ready quickly.
Fast mode.
Yes, I get dressed, simple clothes, nothing special.
Same. No time to think too much.
Breakfast is also simple.
Or sometimes, no breakfast.
Yes, sometimes I just grab something small.
That's real life. Not perfect, but normal.
Then I leave home.
Morning rush.
Yes, people everywhere, traffic, noise.
City life.
I drive to work, and sometimes traffic is slow.
That can be frustrating.
Yes, but I try to stay calm. I play music.
Music makes everything better.
Yes, sometimes I sing along.
Really?
Yes, but only when no one is watching.
And then work starts.
Yes, I sit at my desk, open my computer.
That moment feels serious.
Yes, like, okay, time to work.
What's the first thing you do?
Emails.
Always emails.
Yes, many emails, every day. Then I start my tasks, typing, reading, thinking.
That sounds like a normal office day.
Yes, sometimes quiet, sometimes busy.
Do you ever feel tired at work?
Yes, especially after some hours.
That's normal.
So I take a small break, stand up, walk a little.
That really helps. Lunchtime is the best part, right?
Yes, finally a break.
Time to relax.
I sit down and eat slowly.
Do you talk with coworkers?
Yes, sometimes we talk. Not about work, just normal life.
That's important.
Yes, it makes the day lighter.
After lunch, I always feel sleepy.
Same here.
It's hard to focus.
Yes, but we still have work.
So we try our best.
Yes, step by step, slowly.
And then, finally,
Work is finished.
best feeling of the day.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Like, I'm free now.
Exactly. I go back home. Slowly.
Evening feels calm.
Yes. No rush. Just peace.
What do you do when you reach home?
First, I sit down.
Same. Just sit and do nothing.
Yes. No thinking, no work.
That moment is important.
Then I watch something or listen to music.
Simple things, but very relaxing. Dinner time is also special.
Yes, I like dinner time
Why?
because it feels complete, like the day is ending.
That's true.
Sometimes I cook, sometimes I eat with family.
That's nice. And then, night.
Yes, quiet time again.
Do you use your phone at night?
Sometimes, but I try to stop.
That's a good habit.
Then I take a shower.
That feels very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
And then, bed.
Yes, I go to bed around 11 o'clock.
After a full day.
Yes, a simple, normal, real day.
So, this is a real daily routine.
Not perfect, not special, just real life.
And this is how you can speak English. Simple, natural, easy.
You don't need big words.
Just simple sentences from your daily life.
Thank you for listening
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
and learned something useful. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your daily routine like?
Take care.
Keep learning.
Bye-bye. See you next time.